Hi there, welcome to another video. Now I'm going to take you on a tour of the timeline tools. First of all, let's explore controlling the timeline itself. Alright, right down here I can scroll left or right with this bar. Okay, you can see left or right with this bar. I can also scroll up and down with a scroll bar on the right. You see this tiny scroll bar. Can scroll up and down. Alright. Likewise, if you come to the left hand side, you can see some tools. You see the plus 2 and these negative tools, they have to do with the zoom. The one with the minus is the zoom timeline way out. Let me press that. You see? While the one on the right is the zoom timeline way in. Okay, you see the effect? Alright, just like that. Also on the left, I can bring all the media with this tool, can bring all the media on timeline into view. You see? Just that. Everything is in one view. Then these other tools on the left are similar tools found in most software. I mean, they redo, they undo, and so on. They have effect on the media in the timeline according to their different commands. Like for instance, if you want to undo an action, you just click on the undo. Likewise, the other functions as their various commands. Also, I can expand or minimize the track. You see, we have track 9. Let's see what will happen by coming to control to adjust the track height here. Okay, let me click and drag. You see that? You can see that. Let me look for track 9 again. It's way up. I'm scrolling up now. You see that it has expanded in height. Then you can bring it down if you need to really go into details to know what is really happening on that particular track. Okay, good. Also, if I want to, I can add a new track just by clicking on this plus button right here. Let me click on that. There we go. We have a new track. Okay, track 10. Good. Also, if I click on the eyeball, it basically makes the track invisible. The track is not gone, you just can't see it right now. So if you click on it, you turn it back on. Then if you click on the key below, this key right there, it turns off the track. That is, this doesn't allow for any changes on that particular track when the key is enabled. This can prevent unwanted changes that you didn't intend to. Okay, so you click on it to be able to edit the particular track again. So this is basically what you need to know for now on the timeline. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.